Different cities, different skies, it's only right I see. Eyes closed, mind blown, different home. Every night with me. She a sight to see. Cartier glasses on tight, she kinda bright and sweet. Nightlight and close your eyes with me. Yeah, shit get deep, like feces and creep.
I love my city, y'all. What's up, chat? Say what's up, chat. W's in the chat. Yes, sir. All right, now. Our tour of International Drive, it continues. Our drone died. We was getting great footage. Y'all. We're gonna have to cross this street, though. And we're gonna have to run through the mile. Look at my city, y'all. Look at my city. Our drone died. Everybody was stopping. I'm gonna have to do a voiceover on the drone. Everybody couldn't believe their eyes. Might have to run back. I knew I should have brought my I knew I should have brought the extra battery. I left it in the car just because. And I'm carrying this bag filled up with nothing, and I could have put the extra battery in there, but the drone was getting a lot of eyes. The drones was getting a lot of eyes. But I think that's what I'm gonna do then for my walking tours. I don't know if anybody doing it yet. Walking tours from that angle, and everybody seeing the city. Man, that would be crazy. What we got here? Sunshine something, probably another gift shop. Going crazy. It's just now about to get dark, so the lights ain't gonna really be hitting. So now I'm a little bit early, huh? Ain't super dark yet. It'll be dark when I turn around. So yeah. Once y'all see the Icon Park again, then I'm gonna turn around. So yeah, when you see Icon Park, I'm gonna turn around, and it should be getting dark soon. It should be getting dark soon. Let's go ahead across the street, and then we're gonna turn. I'm finna jaywalk on camera. It should be good. When you from Florida, you could do it. When you from Florida, you could do it. Yeah. We jaywalking and we got it on camera. When you got J's on, you get to jaywalk. When you got kick games like me, you get to jaywalk. How else you get to show the shoes off? All right, we got the Mirror Maze. Oh, we should have went here. Believe it or not, Ripley's. This is where we should have went. Dang. All right, oh, look at that, y'all. We're gonna turn around now, though. Get y'all the tour going back the other way. This wasn't that bad of a walk. All right. Get some music going. You can't act like you don't know me. But I'm here to bring y'all the real content, man. It's one of my first videos. You ain't gonna be able to, I don't know. I'm still practicing, first time YouTube vlogger. Expecting this probably get 0 views, with a couple of them being myself. But we just at the beginning, man. That's how you build. That's how you build. You keep going, man. You don't worry about what it look like right now. It's because what you're doing right now is building your future. What's happening right now is from what you did yesterday. You living in the now. You no longer can change what's happening right now, but you could change tomorrow by making a decision today. And that's what I'm doing. That's why I started this. Got these cities booked. Don't know what to expect. Building a music career. Building a professional career. I'm building a travel vlog career. I'm also a movie script writer. I'm just a creator, man. And I just like to create, and that's what I feel like we was put on this earth to do. That's our main purpose. It's just to create. And I'm gonna have to do that to express myself. Like, I have to get it on the outlet. So I submitted scripts to movie people. Man, the world gonna know my name soon. The world is going to know my name soon, man. Even if I'm talking to myself and I gotta hear this on the playback, I just gotta always remember to keep going. Let me get you some ice cream. You wanna stop at the ice cream stove? Then you got the escape room. I think it's closed down though. I think they've been closed down. The lights still turn on. Don't play with your life. Do not get on that helicopter. $20 helicopter rides. Don't play with your life, y'all. Don't do it. Don't do it. All right, man. Hopefully it could get dark enough so y'all could get the lights. I could get the lights in the video. I'm doing this tour so y'all ain't got to. I'm doing this Orlando International Drive walking tour. I'm doing it so you ain't got to. Yeah. So, yeah, like, comment, subscribe for more. We got Vegas coming up. We got New York coming up. We got Paris coming up. Yeah. So we going crazy in the next couple months. If you like, comment, subscribe. Like, comment, subscribe. Yep. New York, Vegas, and Paris. We hitting them up next. Oh, I didn't know I was on that end to view of Volcano Bay over there. See that volcano in the distance? That's a water park. Maybe we'll get that on camera for y'all one day. Yeah. I don't know. I do Orlando nightlife. I don't feel like going too crazy like Orlando nightlife, like to go to no club or nothing. Y'all gonna get more of that content when I'm like out the country. Like Paris and them. Paris, when I go out the country, it'll be a little bit more safer, like to go to clubs and stuff. When you're out the country. Yeah, it'll be a lot more safer if you're going to the clubs and doing nightlife. At least that's what it looked like in the videos. But being from the U.S., you know what it's like. No matter where you go, it's always an idiot out there to ruin the night. It's always an idiot out there ready to ruin the night. So yeah, we gonna get that going, man. This is my beautiful city. I love it here. Tampa is my home. Orlando is my second home. We always come up here. This was the vacation spot. I said in a couple of other videos, man, I love it here. I want to live here, like home base, and then I want to live 6 months out the U.S. somewhere else, like somewhere else different, like Bali, Thailand, Paris. We got Paris coming up. I said that again. Yeah. What's up? What's up? So we going crazy. So yeah, we gonna keep it moving now. But I love my city though. I wanna. What's up, chat? Say what's up, chat. W's in the chat. Yes, sir. All right now. We already got a fan base, y'all.
Exactly, it's working.
Oh, it's not working?
No.
I mean, Florida. Y'all been to Florida before?
Yeah, but
The lights is gonna have you waiting no matter what for 10 minutes. Even if you're in the car, you're gonna be waiting on a red light for 10 minutes. Y'all drove it yet? Y'all drove in Florida?
Maybe tomorrow.
Y'all, but y'all can see from walking, the lights stay red forever. I promise you. But these don't work for a reason. Some
Oh,
people
is
be
it?
pushing
Is
it too much.
Are you filming
Yeah.
for TikTok there?
YouTube. Of course, some of it go on TikTok. That's how you grow your community. But yeah,
Oh.
yep. Oh yeah, there we
Come
go.
on, Jack.
Yeah, we made it.
Are you like famous or something today?
I'm behind the scenes, so I'm a music writer,
Okay.
and so what I just did is I built an AI music career. So I'm like a ghostwriter basically, and then I built like an AI artist, and she sings my songs for me, and then I'm famous,
okay.
TikTok famous and stuff. And so I'm branching off to vlogging now, and so
What's your handle?
for you said what?
What's your handle?
Oh, TikTok is girls. I got a card. This one I got a card. Think I just took some of them out though. You'll find me. I'm just starting my YouTube now, but how I make my money is off her now, like music streams and stuff. Yeah. So I did music myself for a long time, but then AI came out, and so I switched to AI, and then that's how I'm making money now. And so I got yep. You can look me up. I got New York coming up, Vegas, and then Paris. I'm off to Paris.
Man.
Yep.
Get to
Paris.
Manchester.
Yep. All right.
Do
Yep.
what you do, man.
Yep. Thank you. Yep. So that's how it works, y'all. You just out here networking. You out here networking. That's how it works. That's how you build a community. Well, it's just starting to get dark, y'all. The city get beautiful at night. The city get beautiful at night, y'all. All this going on the blog. We good. We good. And then my drone gonna die on me, man. My drone gonna die on me. I was getting a whole bunch of looks and stares. Everyone was like, dang, that's so cool. Dang. But yeah. Icon Park over there. We got some footage from Icon Park already. So yeah. We got some footage from Icon Park now. I don't know if I'm posting that before or after this one, but we'll see. But yeah, Icon Park, the lights come on at night. The so-called biggest McDonald's in the US. I got a video clip of them last night. I might throw in this video. You will see it though. Man, but it's like, if I'm getting people, like in the US, getting people to talk to you and support you, that's crazy. So I know what it's gonna be like when I get out the country. When I get out the country, it's gonna be crazy. So, yeah, get one last look, y'all. All right, y'all take care.
Thank you.
Yeah. Yep. And here go these people who see me with the drone. And they gonna be like, where the drone at? Oh, yep. City get beautiful at night, y'all. Love my city. Yep. Hopefully the car's still parked, cause I park. Man, they really make sure. They really make sure that you don't park where you're not supposed to, because then they're gonna try to pull you over. They're gonna try to not pull you over, they're gonna try to tow your car if you park at somebody else's business. So if you park at somebody else's business, they're gonna get you. All right now.
Wasn't it about an hour? What are you doing?
Oh, I gotta go switch the battery. That's what I'm headed for. Yep. So you got the city getting live at night. This International Drive for y'all, one of the most main attractions. Whew. Oh, like I was saying, hopefully the car's still there and they didn't get towed. They shouldn't be on that. But if you park at somebody else's business and you ain't in there supporting their business, they might be petty enough to get you towed. So right now I parked at Chuck E. Cheese to make this walk. But yeah, y'all, we're gonna keep it moving. So that's the city. It's starting to get dark now. I want to save some of the lights for y'all. I want y'all to see the lights. The darker it get, the brighter the lights in the night get. But you see it. Look at her. Look at these girls. Like, what this Negro doing? I hope he ain't recording. But yeah, man. I'm off to see the world, man. I'm off to find myself. You know what I mean? Figure out who I am. But also just creating. And I'm just recording the journey. Like I'm not just doing YouTube for YouTube, but I'm not just doing YouTube for YouTube, but I'm also doing it to, like, you know, I'm going to these different places to see the world. Why not record it and then eventually make some money off of it? You know what I'm saying? Dang. But when you walk this, man, you're gonna be so close to the street, these cars. When you walk in the street. But it's February, it's not too crazy, it's not going too crazy right now. In February. We in February, but just wait till the summer. Wait till the summer, you'll see. This street be live, man. It'll be like crowded. People about to fall over into the street. People about to fall over to the street because there be so many people on the street. Some couple YNs circling the block. Make sure you watch your surroundings, because, man, you still in the U.S. Even though this home, you always got to keep your eyes open so you don't get hurt. And make sure them YNs with the other way. They YNs because they got ski masks on. Let me get this way. Now let me stay right this way in front with all these witnesses. They go to city, y'all. Hopefully the car's still here. Alright, y'all, man. And that's going to conclude the International Drive walking tour. Follow your boy. Like, comment, subscribe. We're coming at you, man. I'm telling you, the video's going to be dropping like hotcakes. Appreciate y'all. And we out.